hair. I didn't tell her to do for me side parts, like, and it's side pattern I wanted, and she did it. Like, how does she just know what I want? Like, how? Hmm? This one is already removed. I don't want to like remove it because it's cold. I'm so excited. I'm going to like take this off tomorrow. The weather is so cold now. The weather is so cold. The rain. I'm about to sleep. Yeah. We are cooking rice for dinner. For dinner. So guys, I want to create content for TikTok. I think this actually came out so well just for me to comb it out of in the combi. I love it. Change our face. My birthday is in 2 days, guys. I realized I haven't shown you my dress, the dress I bought for my birthday. Yeah, my birthday plans are partially scattering. I'm not mad at it today because I did not really plan for it, so I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at myself. I'm not mad at anyone. It's still kind of still the time. So this is the first dress, guys. You see me on this dress. See the detail. You see the mesh, and it has this. Should I put it on for you guys to see? I think you will see it in the next vlog, as my birthday vlog. So this is the first one. I love this green so much, and my friends, my friends I asked, they say they like this green more. The second one I bought is this pink dress. This is my first time buying dress on my birthday. I never buy dress on my birthday. I never buy outfits on my birthday. I just go with the vibe. This is the second one. It's a pink dress with open back. Like it's different from what I'm like. Stanleys, they're all full length. Okay, and it's also mesh, like it's also mesh material. Get. I also got an early birthday gift. Let me show you. I was like, should I wait till after the whole birthday to like show you my like birthday gift? But this one came early too. Thank you, my love. So I got a gold heel. I have a gold heel, but this one is very comfortable. Like, and I don't have any gold heel with this square shape because I don't really be a fan of this square shape, but I'm trying new thing. So yeah, so this is like first birthday gift. Oh yeah, I'm turning old, guys. I really love this nail. So like, this is my first time. Not like first time. I've done this type of color before, but not really this color. I don't know if I still have a picture of it, but I like it. I love this detailing. Not my first time in London, but as an adult who remembers stuff, it's my first time, so I don't remember half of the trip at all. So let's go. Guys, we're going to end the vlog here. Why I'm ending it here, because the next vlog is going to be birthday vlog, so I wanted to start a day before the birthday. I don't know whether you get. So bye, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share. See you in the next vlog.